Is your Mobile Legends gaming app keeps crashing on your iPhone? In this video, I will walk you through 4 easy troubleshooting guides to fix the Mobile Legends Bang Bang gaming app not opening on iPhone. So let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app. Open App Store, search for Mobile Legends Bang Bang, tap on it. Now see if there are any updates available or not. If there are available updates, then update the app. But if there are no updates, follow the next solution. Solution 2. Offload the app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, search Mobile Legends Bang Bang, tap on it, tap Offload app again, and lastly, tap Reinstall app. Solution 3. Check iPhone Storage. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, and check your storage capacity. If you're running out of storage, then free up your iPhone storage. You can delete some unnecessary apps and games, and also you can delete some photos and videos to free up some space. And then restart your iPhone. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset all settings. Tap Reset all settings again. And your settings will get back to the default value and your problem will be solved. Now, if you still have any problems, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.